Hello, my name is Mrs. Walbrand Ambler. In order to get to your course, type in www.jeffco.edu up here at the top. Once you're here, click on My Jeffco. Go down to the middle of the page, click on My Jeffco login. You see here your Blackboard and your email. For our purposes, go to Blackboard. Scroll down to our course, and over here on the left you will see the different tabs. Be sure that you're in English 102-01 and click on your announcements, and you will see the announcements from me as well as a variety of links. Scroll back to the top. Then you will see our syllabus. English Composition 2. Our learning objectives, the required text, as well as your MLA handbook. The fact that this is a guaranteed transfer course and the general course requirements. One pictorial graph of how the grades will be broken down. Another chart and what it takes to make an A, B, C, or D. Here are the course policies. Here is the out-of-class academically related activities. That time in class plus time outside of class for this course combined will be approximately 7.5 hours a week. Attendance is expected. You may be dropped from the class if you fail to begin, stop coming to class for 2 weeks without contacting the instructor, or miss 15% or more of coursework without consulting the instructor. You should be on time for class, participate, and stay home if you're sick. You should not leave early, have your phone out, or wander out of the classroom or otherwise disturb others. Late, missing essays or tests, late papers will be penalized a full letter grade unless prior arrangements have been made by me. You will get a period of several days to take each quiz. I encourage you not to wait until the last minute. Each quiz will disappear about 5 minutes prior to the class for which it is required. You will not be allowed to make up any quizzes. Additional help, I encourage you to email me or see me online during Google Meet office hours if you have concerns about the course, the essays, or your progress. If writing is a weak skill for you, you might consider signing up for a peer tutor through the Assessment Center. This service is free. In addition, the Writing Lab is available Monday through Friday from 8 to 3 to assist you with any part of the writing process. We also have an online writing lab, the Jeffco OWL, that you may use. Find the link on our Blackboard menu. The essays. Each short paper is an analysis of one or more of the literary works we will read. I will give you specific topics and guidelines for each paper, and all work for this course must be in MLA format, not APA. All of your work for this course will be submitted online via Blackboard, not email. My response to your work will take 1 to 2 weeks for me to grade and return a set of papers. And guidelines on written work. I will evaluate your essays based on accepted standards for college-level work, including an introduction that prepares the reader, not necessarily me, for the information to follow, a crisp, clear thesis, a clear topic sentence, a conclusion that does something more than simply repeat what you've already said, and a unified essay that sticks to a single point and doesn't get off track. An abundant specific details, logical organization or ordering of ideas, transitional devices that make your writing flow smoothly, appropriate academic tone, third-person point of view, no slang, no contractions, a variety of sentence types and word choices, starting every sentence with a different word, appropriate grammar, punctuation, and mechanics, an interesting and appropriate title, an adherence to standard format and presentation of work, and an original and interesting treatment of the topic. There are 16 quizzes that you will take on your own time via Blackboard. These are meant to be easy points for reading, the assigned story, or for reviewing the notes on vocabulary. There is also a revision quiz as well as a quiz on research concepts. All are open book, open notes, and you may take each one twice. Your highest score will count. Web and email. All of the course notes are already online available for your use, and if you like to work ahead, you are always welcome to do so. All assignments for the 5 essays are posted on Blackboard. If you think of a need for accommodations for writing, it is probably easier emotionally and time-wise to start earlier rather than have things pile up at the end and feel defeated because you don't have time to do a good job. Your class and section numbers should be included in all emails as well as a clearly stated question. I will check my emails Monday through Friday during work hours and do my best to respond within 24 hours. I will not always respond immediately to emails sent in the evening, on the weekends, or on holidays.